Greetings, my friends, and welcome to Super Easy Pocket Mirror, brought to you by tinypandora.com. Today I'm going to use some stickers, some little tiny cane slices, some half-round resin beads, and some magic gloss and glitter to make a nice little compact. I'm starting with these. They're available at tinypandora.com. They come in sets of 3. And you can get them with cutters that match the top, and you can get them with the resin and everything if you like. So I'm going to pour about a nickel size pool of my magic gloss into this top. It is odor free. I think you'll really like it. Sets up quickly and sets up well with a UV light. I use a 36 watt UV light that I carry here, and I've never had any problem with stickiness. So I'm going to put these in a minute, but first of all I want to add some glitter to my little pool of resin. You see, the pool doesn't have to be even at this point. This is just to hold your background in and to give you a tacky surface to put your stickers on. So that's the easy part of the resin. Just so it goes close to the edges, that's good enough. Now I can place them in there, and as you see, as I place them down, it kind of spreads to where I need it to go. And I'll just choose all the ones that are different. I've got mine kind of in clumps, but if you like, you can put them all around the edge, or you could cover the whole thing in these if you wanted to. I'm going to be leaving spaces for my stickers, and I'll show you how we can do that. Just cure it for a couple minutes, because you want it to remain a little bit tacky, and that way when you put your stickers on the second layer, they don't resist you and try to come back up. So poke them down in there pretty well, because you're going to want to make sure you don't have any resin flow under the sticker at this point. So we're using the tackiness of the resin and the adhesive that's on the sticker to get a really good bond here, and that way we don't have a bubble float up from underneath those stickers. That's happened to me. It wasn't too good. Just make sure they're nice and secure. And now you can add your second layer of resin. That little pearl, I just found it someplace. I just liked it. I threw it on there. So this second pool is about the same as the first. Doesn't have to be very thick now. We're just putting a nice shine and a nice secure bond with that second layer of resin. And this time we are going to take a minute to really spread it to the edges. It makes a big difference when we place our little half-round resin beads on it if we don't have any surprises. So we're going to take it right to the edge and kind of be careful. It looks a little better if it doesn't slop over that shallow bezel there. But if it does, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. It's still going to be pretty. And you can kind of wipe it off with a Q-tip if it does, you know. So now I've got my second layer of resin on there. I'm just going to pop in my little half-round beads. And this is the most fun part. I just loved it. I just filled it in as much as I wanted to, and left as much of the glitter exposed as I thought would be pretty, and you're going to want to make those decisions too in your design. Now this is the time that you go ahead and cure it all the way, 15 minutes, and it's done. You could add another layer if you wanted to dome it, but I liked mine just like this. And while I was at it, I made another one, and I did record that for you, and it's in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did. Come again. Bye-bye.